bored. I want to play FIFA. Yes, let's play FIFA. Let's go on a PS5. Yeah, well, you're gonna get cooked. I'm gonna be Chelsea. I'm gonna be Galatasaray. Great deal. Okay. Yes, I start. Shush. Okay, only because it start. Yes, come on, Cassie. I'm gonna score this. Watch. Yes, come on. Let's get cooked. Oh, get tackled. No, shush. I'm gonna score. Watch. Yeah, you get tackled. That's what you get. Yeah, shush, calma. Garnacho. Come on. Offside. Come on, offside. Yeah, shush, catnap. It's offside. You can't be talking. Yeah, shut up. Come on, Palmer. Pedro Neto. Palmer, come on. Yeah, shush, Tiny, shush. He's good. I'm colder. Yeah. There, watch the replay. Yeah, good boy. Why did you skip it? Because I wanted to. Come on. Oshiman, he's gonna cook Palmer. No, he didn't. He just passed. Garnacho, come on. Oh my God. Garnacho, yeah, shush, calma. Pedro Neto. Come on, Palmer. No. Come on, get tackled. Yeah, shush. Now he's cold. Your face. Because it isn't cold at all. You can't be mocking me. I'm beating you. You're getting... That's only 1-0. What's that? What's 1-0 gonna do? Casado, come on. Palmer, tackle him. You... James, come on, James. You stupid. Come on, Cucurella. Yes, Pedro Neto. Palmer. Oh my God. Casado. Oshiman. No. Yes, Casado. No. Yes, 1-0. Shut up. If we win 1-0, we're playing a second match. Yeah. Let's do it then. We're going to play a second match. Prepare to get cooked well bad. Shush! Shut up. Who told you to speak? You made me speak, you idiot. Come on. You stupid! Palmer, come on. Stupid Sanchez. Come on. No! Come on, Enzo Fernandez. No, Enzo Fernandez. Yes. No! Yes, come on, Pedro Neto. Fernandez. Oh, Oshiman. No, you can't be scoring. No! Yeah, shush, calma. You can't be talking. Watch until I get a comeback. I'm gonna have so much aura. What? You're gonna start crying. Come on, Casado. Come on, Palmer. What was that, Palmer? It's only a bit left. Come on. Cucurella, Barilla, Nutella, Garnacho. Palmer. Fernandez. Shoot. Go!
Você fez a escolha.
Turn it off right now. Yes. Good. Yes, say good when I beat you. 2-1. Yes. I'm not gonna speak anymore. You speak. No. So why are you speaking right now? You roast chicken? You are roast chicken. You're getting roasted. And you're losing. You're getting cooked. So you're gonna get roasted. You're gonna turn into a roasted chicken. Wait until you get a yellow card. Maybe not. Idiot. Yes, I beat you now. Talk. 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 Talk.